Three Wise Monkeys, Grade 1. Three Wise Monkeys is quite a tricky solo drum kit piece, so it's all about you. You've got to keep the time steady, and added to that, you're playing in 3/4. One of the major challenges here, as with a lot of songs on the syllabus, is dynamics. You'll see in the B section there's a D crescendo, and you've got to control those smoothly. Okay, this might affect your choice of instrument. Some electric kits can do this well, some electric kits struggle with smooth dynamics.